In this video, you'll learn how to increase the Outlook view size in just a few minutes, so you can read your emails comfortably and improve your overall reading experience. First, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Sign in with your account, then make sure you're in the main inbox view. The view size affects both the email list and the reading pane in Outlook. Next, click on the View tab at the top of the Outlook ribbon. This is where you'll find all the customization options for adjusting how your inbox, emails, and reading pane appear on your screen. Now, click on View Settings to open the customization panel. Then click Other Settings to access font size and display options. From here, you can adjust the size of your column and row text. After that, click Column Font or Row Font to change the font and size. Select a larger size, such as 14 or 16 points, then click OK to apply your changes to your inbox view. Once your inbox is updated, you can also zoom in on individual emails. Open any email and use the zoom slider in the bottom right corner of Outlook to make the text larger and easier to read. And that's it. Your Outlook view is now bigger and reading your emails is much more comfortable.